Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SureStay Hotel by Best Western Bowling Green North. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. SureStay Hotel by Best Western Bowling Green North featuring free Wi-Fi throughout the property. SureStay Hotel by Best Western Bowling Green North offers pet-friendly accommodations in Bowling Green. Every room at this motel is air-conditioned and is fitted with a flat-screen TV. Some units feature a seating area where you can relax. You will find a coffee machine in the room. The rooms are equipped with a private bathroom equipped with a bath. For your comfort, you will find free toiletries and a hairdryer. There is a 24-hour front desk at the property. Sloan Convention Center is 4.3 miles from SureStay Hotel by Best Western Bowling Green North, while Western Kentucky University is 4.3 miles away. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.